I have a great surprise for all of you out there. This is the DOK review. That's right, this thing right here. Now, how cool does this look? This looks like a good float for anybody, but really what it's for is that guy right there. Yeah, say hi, Jake. So this DOK did cost $350 from Amazon, from the DOK company. But this is official. This is like marine grade material. It is super solid. You can see, I'll try to post up some videos right now of me and the pup on the actual dock. Say hi.
Hi.
Oh, Jake's ready.
I'm
She's in the DOK. Go around. Good boy. See, that's how you go up. That's how you go up. Good boy.
Good boy.
Yeah, see, he's gonna have to have a couple of trips like that, and then he'll finally remember.
Yeah, he's just gonna have to get used
Yeah.
to that.
Last day of vacay. Pup's ready to party. Yeah. Right after I do this filming of the pup on his DOK, you can see getting scooted around. Got some flippers. Versatile little, I don't know, craft pretty much. Can almost turn it into like a little watercraft. Have fun, pup. But you can see even myself, I can get on here right now. Now our pup is like, I don't know, 70 pounds. I'm about 160, so what's that? 230 pounds. I think the weight limit's like 220, 240, but it does okay with us. The one thing I will say is you want to fully inflate it. So what I do is I use our rechargeable pump, come over here, fill it up about 90%, and then use the manual pump to top it off so you get that real strong firmness. You might be able to do it with some of the pumps, but not all of the small ones are strong enough to get a really good hard PSI in some of these. And this thing is durable. You can see that. And then the other thing I really wanted to show was these dog steps right here. These little sinking steps, I should say. They're not really floating. They kind of just sit in between, but each step in here, I'll pull it up so you actually get a good view of it. This is what it looks like. So these have like weighted material. I don't want to say it's sand. It doesn't feel like sand, but it's something. And so you can see once it's in the water, it just kind of sinks down, and you can see that little U shape there. So very easy for a dog to come right up and show here. And then, you know, we just use dock lines on the end. You could hook it off to the back of the boat right here. And let me go to the other side. Sorry about that. You can see the pup eager, huh? Maybe I'll have him come on board. Why not, right? That's what this is all about. Clip off. So you see how easy it is to clip, but you can see the gap that it makes. So the boat's about a foot off the water, you know what I mean? So with the DOK, it's a lot easier for the dog to be on here and then climb on board. So I don't know, let's see if the pup will do it right now. You can go on, pup. Let's go. Good boy. Yeah, you see how that works? Easy for him. Now let's see if he'll come back up. Hey, pup. Come up. Let's go. Good boy. Nice. Thank you, pup. Yeah, he's a good sport. Good assistant, right? So there's the DOK. Of course, I'm going to slip in some more videos real quick just so you can see a little montage of what we've done so far. Say what's up, pup. I will try to follow up this DOK with a long-term review, but as for right now, I would say this thing is very much worth it. We had another couple that just came over here on their sailboat and they were on shore with their 2 dogs. Asked how much it was, a little surprised by the price, but said he was absolutely sold when I brought it up to his boat and he saw his dogs go right, or one of the dogs go right on it and then jump into their dinghy. Not that dinghy, but one that looked just like it. So really great thing. Leave your comments down below. Do you have one of these? Do you have one similar? What has been your issues, or what are you looking for? Be sure to hit that like button as well, and that subscribe button, that notification bell as well. I appreciate your time. SK Lifestyle. This is a life right here. Got the little scruff pup on the move. Oh, he dropped his stick.